filming.
Hi, kitten. Hello.
Kitty. Did the storm upset you?
Hi, kitty. It was only a little thunderstorm.
Are you mad that we put you in your crate and took you down to the storm shelter?
To save your life?
So that you didn't blow away from us?
Kitten. Those eyes.
I know they're huge.
Look at that cute little tongue.
Jeez.
Maybe you should put her back into her crate.
Seriously, I ain't touching that cat. She's gonna kill me.
Unless you've got like leather gloves and shit. Kitten.
Kitty cat? Kitty cat?
I can make those noises too, you know.
Just want to let anybody who's listening to this video know that she is usually a pretty mild-mannered kitty. She's just very upset this evening. God, poor thing.